Hello everyone, Shakir is going to show how to write ABC. Okay, starting now. A, here, A, hold properly your pencil. A, yes. A, 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 A. Well done. A, B, 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 B. Shakira is just 2 and 9 months. She's nearly 3 years. She started to write ABCD when she was 1 year and 6 months. C, 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 D, 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 A, B, C, D, E, 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 E. Yes, well done. F, 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 F. Finish F. Finish F, please. Finish F. Finish. Look here. Finish F. Finish. Yes, well done. Let's see F. Yes, F. G, E, J. Okay, okay. No. H, yes. H, 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 H. Yay! I, 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 I. Yay! Yeah. Nice. Well done. Yeah. Okay, finish. Go. Another one. Yeah. Yes. 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 Go. Go. Yes. Go. L. No. L. 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 Yes. M. 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 Yes. N. Yes. Yeah. N. What is that? Your head do like this. Okay, it's alright now. N. Yeah. O. Yeah. P. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Finish properly. Finish. Look here. Finish Q. Finish. Yes. Yeah. Mm. Yes. Well done. Yeah. S. Yeah. 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 No. Here, this one. Yeah. 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 X. Yeah. Yeah. No, Shakira. Yes. Yeah. Why? Yeah. 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 Yeah, well done. Yeah. Well done. Yeah, jump. Well done, Jakira. What I did is that I wrote first with the pencil on the paper, and I gave to her to write on top. That's the easiest way to teach children how to learn ABCD. Bye bye, everyone.